The Department of Youth Services is spending the next 3 days introducing youth mainstreaming to more than 60 of their partners from the private, public, and social sectors. It is a youth-centric approach with actionable outcomes. It seeks to make young people more than just an add-on to programs and social interventions.
It's a very new topic in the world. We're actually the second country in all of the world that is getting help by the Commonwealth to bring this workshop over today. So first of all, it's a new term, so we're trying to understand what it is, and definitely throughout the 3 days, it's to ask our invitees here, which are directors and representatives from these large corporations, to see how they can go back and change the policies in their environment, and that way it can go back and help all youth in all areas.
This consultation will help to get buy-in from partners. The DYS will help to formulate strategies and throughout the next 3 years roll out a plan that will see young people be a part of the decision-making and planning of their future. The commitment is to ultimately empower youth and promote their development.
It's actually incorporating a lot of major topics that we don't usually hear young people in, for example, Ministry of Health and health in general, agriculture in general. Yes, we have education, but we also have finances. We also have private sectors here today. So it's really all those big organizations that have power over how we rule in Belize. And we even have, for example, the Belize Progressive Party is here, the UDP is here, we have a member from PUP. So it's a broad of everyone that has some say in Belize, and it's about talking to them and how we can put youth at a forefront.
Andrea Escobar explains some of the ways in which youth mainstreaming can help Belize.
Maybe as adults, we get used to the norm, we get used to working, and we don't try to change anything. But a young person just coming out of school or just coming out of any environment has all these ideas, and nobody has taken those ideas and killed it for them, let's say. So it's about kind of bringing them over, telling them to, hey, talk to us about these new ideas that you have, and then let's see how we can bring it about in our organizations, how our directors can look at it, and how we can work together to bring equity not only to our young people, but really it will benefit everyone in our country. We're seeing a lot of young people want to continue their education, but maybe don't have the means for it, either financially or through other ways. And so it's something that would bring about change in that area. We have a lot of young people that want to be entrepreneurs, and maybe they don't know how to even go about doing that. So then we would look at our private sectors that have to do with businesses, and we would ask them to come aboard and create some policy that would help these young people as well. So it's really anything that a young person has had an idea for, people that have been overlooked in the past. Maybe there's young people that don't go to school, so we don't see them so much as the ones that we do see when we visit schools. It's a chance for all of them to be heard, and to whatever their dream is, to know that they can achieve it.
Reporting for News 5, I'm Andrea Polanco.